In this video, I'm going to tell you how to take the pellet guard out of the Pit Boss Laredo 1000. So if you go around to the back here, there's two screws, this one and this one, that you can just pull out with a standard Phillips screwdriver. I've already taken most of the way out. There's one and there's the other. Once you take these two out, you'll be able to lift this entire lid off. And just behind here, you'll see, I took them out already, but there's two holes right there and there where you have to remove the screws, also Phillips. And then in the front, you'll see there's two holes here and here. Those are the 4 screws that hold this thing in place. Once you've taken those 4 screws out, you'll be able to simply pull this out of the way. I've already taken it out, but I just wanted to show you how to do it.